Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my TraffixZ review demo and $3,475 bonus. Now I hope you guys are safe out there, wash your hands and all that, but in this video I'm going to show you a very cool software that actually creates fully blown affiliate sites for you. Then it auto updates them, and it just adds all the content, it adds all the affiliate links, and it even generates traffic on autopilot. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into this TraffixZ review. Let me share my screen, and before I'm going to show you the sales page, I'm just going to show you an alternative. Okay, so the best alternative that I found is this plugin right here, WP Robot 5, and it is actually a plugin. Okay, so you're gonna have to have a website to install this plugin on, and with TraffixZ you don't need a website because you will be given a website, a full hosting. Okay, so that's the first difference. And WP Robot 5 is let's see here, it's $89 per year, so it's a recurring fee for a basic version, and it goes up to $249 per year for the developer version. So it's a recurring thing that you're gonna have to be paying for. Full version is $119 per year. And the cool thing about TraffixZ is that it is a one-time fee of just $20. We'll talk about the pricing in a second, but essentially this plugin creates an auto blog for you. So just a website that runs itself. It will keep on adding content, but actually TraffixZ is much better because a part of adding content, it also adds traffic, and it generates an email list for you on complete autopilot. Okay, so I'm going to show all of that in a second. And right now let's check out the sales page. As you can see, it says TraffixZ new cloud app instantly builds commission engines that get you buyer traffic and sales every 59 seconds or less. No tedious works in any niche. Here's how. So the sales page is pretty long. I'm just going to hit on some key points. So obviously these guys have some massive proof behind it. Jason, Fulton and Mosh, Bari, these are the two guys behind this product. Scrolling down here is some proof right here. As you can see, millions of views on these websites. TraffixZ, again, that's the name of this new product, and they will have a couple of demos. Okay, so first of all, this first demo will show you how to actually create the site, how to pick a niche, and how it adds content to the site, and how it actually adds affiliate links to it, and all that. And you also have the traffic and lead generation demo, which means that a part of having fresh content, you will be able to generate leads and free traffic on complete autopilot as well. So a couple of demos, and I will have the same demos both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out as well. Some more proof, scrolling down here. These guys will have some bonuses right here, and obviously you're gonna get my bonuses on top of these bonuses mentioned on the sales page. So we have these bonuses right here. Money back guarantee as always, so you're not risking anything. A little sum up, and that's it. A little FAQ in the end. That's essentially it. Let me show you the inside of the members area right now. Okay, so this is how it looks after logging in, and even before I'm going to go through all of these options right here, let me show you a ready website. Okay, so this is a website that is fully ready, looks like. Okay, so essentially how it works, you just have to pick a keyword, you have to add your affiliate link, short code, and what TraffixZ does, it will create all of these posts on autopilot for you. Okay, so you don't create one post at a time, you can select as many as you want, 20, 50, 100, and it will add all of these posts at the same time. These are all unique posts, and as you can see, this is how it looks like. We have the recent post right here on the right, and then after we will click on one of these posts, as you can see, first of all we have this opt-in box right here. So this will be automatically added to every single post, and the cool thing is that after anyone will enter their email, they will be, as you can see, they're going to be getting an amazing gift, and if they will refer their friend, they will get an extra gift. So that means if one person will enter their email, they will start sharing it with a bunch of other people, and then they will obviously enter their email and they will start sharing it with more people. So this just keeps on snowballing, and this is free traffic on complete autopilot. And again, this is something that you don't have to think about because this is fully automated. Now, as you can see, a part of the opt-in box, we have these affiliate links right here. So all you have to do is add your eBay short code, and these will be automatically added as well. So you don't have to pick these products, you don't have to add these affiliate links manually. All you have to do is just pick a niche and add your code, and these affiliate links will be added for you automatically. Videos will be added for you automatically. All of this text is 100% unique, and it's pinned, so it's Google ready, it will rank, and this is done for you on autopilot as well. And we have one more affiliate link right here as well. So again, this is created in a matter of seconds, and keep in mind you are adding dozens of posts at the same time, okay? And this is how you generate traffic, and an email list, a part of actually getting all the content, okay? So this is how a post look like, this is how this whole website looks like. Obviously you can change the logo, you can edit all of this, you can pick any niche. So this website is about coronavirus, something super relevant, but this can be about golfing or dogs or about anything you want really. Going back here to the dashboard, so these are my sites, okay? So as you can see, we have the dashboard of the site. We can visit the site. Let's click on the dashboard. Let's see how it looks like. So here you'll be able to edit everything. Now let's go to posts. Now as you can see, we have all posts. We can add posts one by one, or we can just mass add them. So as you can see, these are the posts that I just showed you. We have the outer categories and all the usual stuff. Then we have traffic and leads. So right here we can add forms and messages. We have emails and triggers. We have a referral dashboard, which means that again you will be actually generating leads on autopilot with this, because people will be adding their friends to it to get that free gift. Now then we have the media, that's all of your videos and your pictures. And then we have eBay traffic. So as you can see, all you have to do is grab your eBay ID. So it's like an affiliate link, but it's for more than one product, okay? So all you have to do is just add that code to your site, and then every single post that will be automatically created for you will also have your eBay affiliate link. And the cool thing about eBay is that you can add any product from any niche, and they have both physical product and info products and all that kind of stuff. So that's how you make money with this. And obviously you will be creating an email list, so then you have just more free traffic. You can send emails about anything you want. So this is just a fully automated machine that works for you. Then we have YouTube. So this is obviously for adding YouTube videos to your posts, and autoresponder. And with the autoresponder you can hook up Aweber or GetResponse or MailChimp, and this is for creating your email list. So all in all, again, all you have to remember is that all you have to do is just enter a keyword, add your eBay code, and all of these posts will be automatically added for you. So again, affiliate links are added automatically, videos are added automatically, the opt-in boxes are added automatically, and once someone opts in, all of this is automated as well. So you're going to be getting traffic on complete autopilot with this, okay? So that's essentially it. There's not much more to it than what I just showed you. But again, check out the full demo of how to add content and also how to generate traffic, and I'm going to have both of these demos on my blog and on my YouTube channel as well. Now let's check out all of the upsells. So the main product will be $19, as you can see. Now $19 is the early bird for the first 6 hours, so make sure to show up early to pick it up for just 19 bucks. It's a crazy low price if you think about how much content, how much traffic, how much commissions you're going to be generating with this. And going back to the WP robot, the cheapest version right here is $89 per year. So a recurring fee. Here you're getting everything for a one-time fee of $19. Okay, so everything I just showed you is included. Obviously, you're also going to get video training on how to actually implement all of this. Then we have OTO number 1, TraffixZ Unlimited Profits Edition. That's $97. And as you can see, this will add unlimited TraffixZ campaigns. Now, each one can make you up to $500 per month, and you have unlimited campaigns. So with the main TraffixZ version, you're getting 10 campaigns per month. With this one, you are getting unlimited campaigns and unlimited profits. Okay, so that's audio number 1. Audio number 4, we have done for you money machines for $197, and these are 20 complete TraffixZ sites ready to convert. Okay, so obviously you can create these from scratch. These are all, you know, done for you automatically, so all you have to do is pick a keyword, etc. But if you want 20 additional done for you sites, so obviously the more of these sites you have, the more money you're going to be making. That's an additional fee of $197, so essentially $10 per site. That's audio number 2. Audio number 3, TraffixZ 100x conversion booster. So again, you'll be fine with the main product alone, but if you want to add additional conversion boosters like a Facebook pixel, like premium SEO optimization, like countdown timers, like exit pop-ups, and like social proof, that's $47. So just making sure that all of these sites you have are actually converting much better. Next up, we got TraffixZ 1K payday, $77, and this is additional secret methods for generating multiple 1K paydays using one simple technique. Okay, so just additional training on how to make more money with this. Next up, we got TraffixZ Automated Affiliate Profits, $67, and this is an additional piece of software that gets you free traffic and visitors to any link, and obviously this will be getting you commissions and sales. So that's $67, audio number 5, and audio number 6, and the last one, we have $77 for the license rights for TraffixZ, and essentially this allows you to keep 100% of the profits on whatever you sell, and that's on the whole funnel, so all 7 products and not just the main product. I'm promoting this as an affiliate. I'm making 50% commissions. If you want 100% commissions on all of it, including the $197 OTOs right here, this will be the last OTO license rights. Now guys, as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you could check it out. That's my picture right here with Mosh. We actually met in person, and let me show you all of my bonuses, because as I mentioned at the beginning, I will have almost $3,500 worth of bonuses, and all you have to do to get all of these bonuses for free is pick up TraffixZ through my link, and to do so, just click on one of these blue links right here from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click the first link in the description, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. Now, first of all, you're going to get free custom-made bonuses, and these are custom-made bonuses on 3 different traffic sources, so very useful for any website, and especially these ones with TraffixZ. I'm also going to give you an additional, a couple of additional softwares. Okay, so I got these from Mosh for my subscribers only, so you're getting done for you profits and lazy profits. Okay, so 2 additional softwares. I'm also going to give you free done for you courses. Now these are done for you by myself. You can sell these, you can give them away, you can rebrand them, you can do whatever you want. So W's of the Day awarded winners, 3 of them, and you're getting full PLR to it. I'm also going to give you 49 done for you email campaigns. So obviously you're going to be, generating an email list, and you have to do something with this list. So if you want to add an automated follow-up to it, I'm going to give you all of these follow-ups. These are 7 separate affiliate marketing promotions, 7 emails each, so a total of 49 emails with done for you promotions. Okay, now obviously once you have TraffixZ, you can actually create these sites for other people. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with my Fiverr courses. You're going to get Fiverr income secrets, Fiverr masterclass, and Riser, 3 of my top selling Fiverr courses. And I'm not done, because I'm going to give you a bunch of W's of the Day awarded courses as well. 3-step profit machines, quantum profits, piggyback cash system, fusion, newbie traffic avalanche, and a bunch of additional plugins. Okay, so 12 additional plugins and 9 additional plugins right here. So a total of 21 additional plugins and software. and this will bring it up to a total of $1,975. But I'm not done, because you're getting my mega bonus as well, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. And this means that you're going to get a total of $3,475 worth of bonuses, and these are not PLR, these are actual products released by myself or Mosh and Jason that they gave me exclusive rights to give away to you, and you know, a part of the plugins and additional software. So guys, again, if you want to get all of these bonuses for free, just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or again, the first link in the description from YouTube, and I have a full funnel breakdown for you as well right here. And let's sum up this TraffixZ review right now. So first of all, you're going to be sending bio traffic to any link of your choice. You can scale up to a super affiliate status with ease, because this is all automated for you. This works in any niche. Obviously, you just have to enter a keyword. These are set and forget self-updating traffic sucking money making sites with auto updating trending content. Okay, so you can just look on Google what is trending, like right now coronavirus or COVID-19, and you can have a website ready full of articles about COVID-19. Cloud-based app, so you don't have to actually install anything. So going back to the WP robot, this is actually a piece of, this is a plugin. Okay, so you need a website for it. You don't need a website with TraffixZ. You're getting a website, you know, you don't have to pay for hosting, so no extra cost, no domains, no hosting, no nothing, and complete step-by-step training is included. Now, what I don't like about TraffixZ, there's not much not to like, but you are using other people's content, which means no branding for yourself. So you can't actually write it yourself, and you know, so people won't get to really know you as you. So you're not really building your brand, and you're not creating your online business from scratch, which is a positive, but it can also be a negative, because you know, down the road you will need the skills to actually, you know, you should know how to start a website, how to deal with hosting, how to create content from scratch, etc. But with that being said, if you are starting to make money online, you know, you don't want to be dealing with anything of this sort, and this is the easiest way to actually go from zero to profits. Now guys, again, check out all of my bonuses I got for you. And before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus after you'll decide to pick up TraffixZ from my link. All you have to do is go to your purchase history right here on Warrior Plus. So click on your icon right here on the top right corner, go to the purchase history and find TraffixZ, and below the access button you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you claim my bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. This is all done for you automatically. And again guys, I really like it, especially because it does two things. It creates content and it generates traffic on autopilot, and it's much cheaper than any of the other similar software or plugins. Okay, so again, TraffixZ will be going live on April 1st at 9 AM Eastern. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all the bonuses. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section under this YouTube video. Please like this video and please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And again, stay safe out there guys, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.